Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJ's Info. This video is about how to get paid for searching words on any topic or subjects. Okay, for that you have to get only Microsoft account. In case if you don't have account, just create and log into Bing. The search can be on anything. For example, I want to know Excel top 10 Excel shortcuts. Directly it gives answer. Again, I want to search in Excel why to use Excel lookup formula and how it is used with example. So directly it gives answer. The topic can be anything. Based on search, it gives answer or else it gives link. Once you click on link, you will get all information. So based on search, it gives points. So now it is, I have searched 3, automatically it increased points. For desktop, you can able to search 30 and in mobile 20. Difference between VLOOKUP and index match. Not only on Excel, you can able to search on anything, cloud computing or accounting. So directly gives answer. It suggests some websites. Just click it, you get to know all information. Not only Excel, you can able to search on anything. For example, I want to know how to write leave letter in Tamil. Not only Tamil, you can able to ask anything, any language. So this is very useful for translation as well as for understanding any topic with relevant information. It is perfectly given. So in case I want to learn SAP, just give brief details about SAP HANA. Like that, you can able to learn with earning points. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.